Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a withdrawable no deposit bonus. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Generally, a Forex no deposit bonus is a promotional offer given to beginner traders in order to start trading without using their own funds. Therefore, the bonus will be made available solely for trading purposes, and only the profit made from trading will be made available for withdrawal. Traders should keep in mind that highly regulated Forex brokers will not simply give away money or gifts for free. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers with a withdrawable no deposit bonus can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a withdrawable no deposit bonus. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Forex Chief. Forex Chief is a leading online Forex broker renowned for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive trading services, catering to traders in Asia and beyond. Forex Chief offers a secure and accessible platform for individuals to participate in the dynamic foreign exchange market. The broker offers an extensive array of market instruments to cater to the diverse trading preferences of its clients. Traders can access a wide range of financial assets across global markets, which include Forex, commodities, CFDs based on indices, as well as stocks. Forex Chief's platform is equipped with essential tools and resources, ensuring traders can navigate these diverse market instruments with ease and confidence. The broker offers an array of enticing bonus promotions also, designed to enhance the trading experience for clients. The specific details of these bonus promotions may vary and are subject to terms and conditions, so traders are encouraged to visit the website to stay updated on the latest promotions. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Forex Chief mobile application. Accounts are featured on Cent, Classic Plus, DirectFX, and the X Prime account, with Islamic account options available. By offering a variety of account types, Forex Chief ensures that traders can select an option that aligns with their trading goals and expertise. Forex Chief is committed to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources. These resources are thoughtfully designed to cater to traders of all levels, providing valuable insights and knowledge to enhance their trading skills. These educational materials include articles, tutorials, webinars, and market analysis, and cover essential topics such as technical and fundamental analysis, risk management strategies, and trading psychology. By integrating these resources into their trading journey, traders can gain a deeper understanding of market trends, make informed decisions, and ultimately improve their trading performance. At number 4 on our list is IronFX. IronFX is a prominent online Forex and CFD broker, recognized for its comprehensive range of trading services and solutions. IronFX is committed to providing traders with a dynamic and secure platform to access the financial markets. Catering to both novice and experienced traders, IronFX is dedicated to transparency, innovation, and providing clients with cutting-edge technology to ensure an exceptional trading experience. They offer a diverse range of market instruments, providing traders with ample opportunities to explore and invest in various financial assets. These include Forex, commodities, indices, futures, and shares. By offering a wide array of market instruments, IronFX empowers traders in South Africa and beyond to explore diverse markets, manage risk effectively, and seize trading opportunities in the ever-changing financial landscape. The broker presents a compelling array of bonus promotions as well, designed to enhance the trading experience for its clients. And these bonuses can encompass a variety of offerings, such as deposit bonuses, trading rebates, and other attractive incentives. The specifics of IronFX's bonus promotions may vary and are subject to terms and conditions. Therefore, traders are encouraged to visit the website to stay updated on the latest promotions and to review the associated terms. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which is supported on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. IronFX is also dedicated to providing a robust set of educational resources to empower traders in South Africa and beyond. These resources are designed to help traders, whether they are newcomers to the world of online trading or seasoned investors, expand their knowledge and refine their trading skills. They offer a wide range of topics, including comprehensive market analysis, trading strategies, risk management techniques, and trading psychology insights. Traders can also access articles, webinars, video tutorials, and other informative materials to deepen their understanding of the financial markets. By incorporating these resources into their trading journey, clients of IronFX can enhance their skills, improve their trading strategies, and work towards their financial objectives. Coming in at number 3, we have FirewoodFX. FirewoodFX is a renowned online forex and commodities broker that offers a range of trading services to clients worldwide. With a strong commitment to providing traders with cutting-edge technology and personalized support, FirewoodFX has established itself as a trusted name in the financial industry. Whether you're a novice trader looking to enter the forex market or an experienced investor seeking new opportunities, FirewoodFX offers a user-friendly and secure trading environment. The broker offers a comprehensive range of market instruments to cater to the diverse needs of traders. Their array of trading options spans across the forex and commodities market, providing a broad spectrum of opportunities for investors. Traders can enjoy trading on numerous currency pairs, including major, minor, and exotic pairs. Furthermore, FirewoodFX grants access to popular indices and CFDs. They offer enticing bonus promotions as well that provide an extra edge to traders looking to maximize their trading experience. These bonus promotions are designed to reward and incentivize clients, fostering a more engaging and potential profiting trading experience. FirewoodFX periodically runs various bonus programs, which may include deposit bonuses, rebates, and other promotional offers. These bonuses can boost trading capital, enhance profit potential, and help traders manage risk effectively. The specifics of their bonus promotions may vary, so traders are encouraged to visit the website and check the latest offerings available. Featured platform is available on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Cent, Micro, Standard, Premium, and Electronic Communication Network accounts, with Demo and Islamic account options available. FirewoodFX is committed to empowering its clients with a wealth of educational resources designed to enhance their trading knowledge and skills. These resources include informative articles, tutorials, webinars, and market analysis, all aimed at providing traders with valuable insights into the world of forex and commodities trading. Whether you're a novice trader looking to build a strong foundation or an experienced investor seeking to refine your strategies, FirewoodFX's educational resources cater to all levels of expertise. At number 2 on our list is JustMarkets. JustMarkets is a dynamic and innovative online trading platform providing traders with a cutting-edge environment to explore and engage in various financial markets. With a commitment to transparency and user-friendly features, JustMarkets has quickly become a preferred choice for traders seeking to navigate the complexities of the financial world. JustMarkets offers a diverse array of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. Their comprehensive selection encompasses a wide range of asset classes, including stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices. JustMarkets is committed to providing added value to its users, whether it's bonus incentives, reduced fees, or exclusive rewards. Their promotions are designed to enhance your trading experience and provide you with unique advantages in the financial markets. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 as well as MetaTrader 5 with social trading tools. Their accounts are available on Standard, Standard Cent, Pro, Raw Spread, as well as Demo and Islamic account options. These account types are designed to cater to the diverse needs and preferences of its users, whether you're a novice trader or an experienced investor. JustMarkets has an account option that suits you, from demo accounts for those looking to practice their trading strategies risk-free, to standard accounts with access to a wide variety of trading instruments, and premium accounts with enhanced features and benefits. JustMarkets is not just a trading platform, it is also a valuable educational resource hub. They provide a wealth of educational material designed to empower traders and investors at every skill level. From comprehensive tutorials and webinars to insightful articles and video content. JustMarkets offers a wide range of resources to enhance your understanding of the financial markets. Whether you're interested in learning the basics of trading or refining your advanced strategies, these educational tools provide the knowledge and insights you need to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a withdrawable no deposit bonus, we have FreshForex. FreshForex, a leading online Forex broker, is dedicated to providing traders with exceptional trading experiences in the dynamic world of foreign exchange. With a commitment to innovation and excellence, FreshForex offers a wide range of trading instruments, advanced trading platforms, and educational resources to empower both novice and experienced traders. Their platform serves as a hub for valuable market insights, expert analysis, and cutting-edge trading technologies. With a reputation for transparency, integrity, and customer satisfaction, FreshForex continues to be a trusted choice for individuals seeking to explore the vast opportunities of the financial markets. FreshForex offers a diverse range of market instruments to cater to the needs of traders worldwide. These instruments include major and exotic currency pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. FreshForex also offers a diverse range of bonus promotions that add significant value to traders' experiences. Their bonus promotions may include enticing options such as deposit bonuses, no deposit bonuses, and cashback programs. These promotions not only reward loyalty, but also attract new traders with attractive incentives. Their bonus promotions are designed to cater to novice and experienced traders, fostering a supportive trading environment, and are also regularly updated, ensuring that traders have access to fresh and appealing offers through their trading journey. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Classic, Market Pro, and Electronic Communication Network accounts, with Demo and Islamic account options. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, FreshForex's variety of account types ensures that you can find the right fit for your trading style. The broker is also dedicated to empowering traders with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the financial markets. Their comprehensive range of educational resources are designed to cater to traders of all levels, from beginners to experienced professionals, and cover a wide spectrum of trading topics, including market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and more. They also provide interactive training, which includes webinars, workshops, and other engaging materials that make learning about Forex trading not only informative but also enjoyable. With FreshForex's commitment to education, traders can access a wealth of valuable information and insights that can help them make more informed trading decisions. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a withdrawable no deposit bonus on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.